Island. Beyond the lively streets of Dublin and dramatic cliffs, the Emerald Isle whispers secrets down quiet country lanes. We're peeling back the layers to find the authentic heart of Ireland, a land steeped in myth and music. Imagine soaring above Ireland's rugged western coastline, where Atlantic waves carve out hidden coves. This exploration invites you to uncover hidden gems, offering a more intimate connection with Ireland and its people. Our journey takes us to the wild Atlantic Way, a sensory immersion into the raw power and beauty of Ireland's western seaboard. No journey along the wild Atlantic Way is complete without visiting the Cliffs of Moher. These colossal bastions of rock rise almost vertically from the ocean, reaching heights of over 200 meters. Walking along the cliff-top paths, the views stretch for miles, with the Aran Islands to the north and County Clare's rugged coastline to the south. The air is alive with seabirds and the rhythmic roar of waves. Each viewpoint offers a new perspective, a different facet of their grandeur. The Sleehead Drive on the Dingle Peninsula offers intimate coastal gems. Every turn reveals jagged cliffs, hidden coves and piercingly blue waters, framed by ancient stone walls. Newgrange, older than Stonehenge and the pyramids, transports you back over 5,000 years. This ancient structure evokes a profound sense of mystery and connection to our distant ancestors. It is an enormous circular mound, meticulously constructed from layers of earth and stones. The entrance stone's stunning triple spiral design has captivated imaginations for centuries. Ireland is scattered with ancient monuments, each whispering secrets from the past. Dolmens, standing stones and stone circles transform Ireland into a vast open-air museum. Stone circles like Drombeg likely served as ceremonial centres aligned with solar and lunar events. The iconic Poulnabrona Dolmen in the Burren is a testament to Ireland's prehistoric legacy. Ireland's rich history is vibrantly alive in its folklore. Storytelling preserved cultural memory, wisdom and entertainment. Tales of Cuchulainn, Fionn, Macumhail and the Tuatha De Danann form an essential part of Irish identity. The landscape plays a central role in these stories, with mountains, rivers and lakes imbued with mythological significance. A solitary hawthorn tree might be revered as a fairy tree, a sacred portal to the other world. Ring forts are often considered fairy forts, believed to be the dwellings of the Sidhe. The Ring of Kerry offers breathtaking coastal scenery and a journey through centuries of history. Explore Stagu Fort, a massive stone fort, and Derrynane Abbey, an early Christian monastic site. Near Killarney, Ross Castle stands sentinel on the shores of Loch Lean. Beyond bustling cities, discover the intimate soul of Ireland in its quaint villages. Rows of brightly painted cottages and narrow, winding streets invite exploration. This is where the true heartbeat of rural Ireland can be felt. Traditional Irish pubs are the vibrant social hearts of their communities. Imagine settling into a cosy corner beside a crackling peat fire. The low murmur of conversation and bursts of laughter create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The Wicklow Mountains National Park offers breathtaking wildness and rugged beauty. Glendalough, the Valley of Two Lakes, features the ruins of an early medieval monastic settlement. The round tower and ancient churches evoke a powerful sense of history and spirituality. The Aran Islands preserve a unique way of life and cultural heritage. The landscapes are starkly beautiful, with limestone pavement and hand-built stone walls. Dún Angasa, a prehistoric stone fort on a cliff, offers breathtaking views and a link to Ireland's ancient past. Planning your Emerald Escape timing, transit and tranquil stays. Embarking on your own Irish adventure is an exciting prospect, and a little thoughtful planning can make all the difference. One of the first considerations is deciding when to visit this captivating island. While Ireland is beautiful year-round, many seasoned travellers, myself included, often recommend the shoulder seasons. Think of late spring, perhaps April and May, or early autumn around September and October. During these times, the weather is generally pleasant, with fewer crowds than the peak summer months. You will also find that daylight hours are still generously long, allowing for ample exploration of both famous sites and those delightful hidden gems we have discussed together. The summer months of June, July and August certainly offer the warmest weather and the longest days, which is undeniably appealing for many. However, this is also when popular attractions can be at their busiest and accommodation prices tend to be higher. Winter, from November to February, presents a quieter, more atmospheric island with cosy pubs and dramatic, stormy coastlines. Crafting your unforgettable itinerary, resources, and insider wisdom. With your travel dates and transportation in mind, the delightful task of crafting your itinerary begins. The sheer number of incredible places to see in Ireland can feel overwhelming, but there are fantastic resources available to help you. I always encourage fellow travellers to delve into the wealth of information online. Official tourism websites like Tourism Ireland and Failte Ireland offer comprehensive guides, sample itineraries, and up-to-date information on attractions. Travel blogs written by those who have explored the island extensively can provide personal perspectives and uncover those lesser-known spots that might perfectly suit your interests. Online travel forums are also excellent for asking specific questions. A key piece of advice I always offer is to strike a balance between planned activities and allowing for spontaneity. It is wonderful to have a list of must-see sites like the majestic Cliffs of Moher or the ancient wonder of Newgrange. However, some of the most memorable moments on any Irish adventure often come from unexpected discoveries. Perhaps it is a detour down a scenic country lane that leads to a breathtaking viewpoint, or an impromptu traditional music session you stumble upon in a village pub. To truly experience the magic of Ireland, I believe it is essential to connect with its heart and soul, its people, and its culture. One of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to do this is by engaging with locals. The Irish are renowned for their friendliness, their wit, and their welcoming nature. Do not hesitate to strike up a conversation in a pub, ask for directions if you're exploring a new town, or chat with the owner of a local shop or market stall. These interactions often lead to wonderful insights, personal recommendations for hidden gems, and sometimes even lasting friendships. It is these genuine human connections that transform a trip into a cherished memory. Another delightful way to immerse yourself is through Ireland's rich culinary scene. Beyond the iconic pint of Guinness and hearty Irish stew, there is a burgeoning food movement focused on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Seek out traditional dishes, but also be open to trying contemporary Irish cuisine. Enjoy freshly caught seafood in coastal towns, sample artisan cheeses from local dairies, and indulge in delicious baked goods from village bakeries. And of course, experiencing a traditional Irish breakfast, complete with black and white pudding, is a must. Sharing a meal is a universal way to connect, and in Ireland it is often accompanied by lively conversation and warm hospitality. As your Irish adventure unfolds, take moments to consciously savour the experiences and capture the memories you are creating. Ireland's landscapes offer endless inspiration for photographers, from the dramatic sweep of its coastlines to the subtle beauty of its misty glens. Don't just aim for the grand vistas. Look for the smaller details too. The texture of ancient stones, the vibrant colours of a pub frontage, or the expressive face of a local storyteller. Think about the light, especially during the golden hours of early morning and late afternoon, which can bathe the scenery in a magical glow. These images will serve as beautiful reminders of your journey. Beyond photography, consider other ways to document your travels and reflect on your experiences. Keeping a travel journal can be a wonderfully personal way to record your thoughts, feelings, and observations. Describe the sounds and smells, jot down amusing anecdotes, or sketch a scene that captures your eye. Even collecting small, meaningful mementos like a smooth pebble from a secluded beach or a postcard from a charming village can help to keep the memories alive long after you have returned home. These personal records become treasured keepsakes, allowing you to revisit the magic of your Irish adventure whenever you wish, transporting you back to those special moments. Our journey through Ireland has been a delightful exploration, uncovering more than just the well-known sights. We set out to look beyond the familiar postcards, to delve into the deeper enchantments that the Emerald Isle holds. This exploration was an invitation to see Ireland through a lens of discovery, seeking out the quiet magic that often lies just off the main routes. We ventured forth with a promise to reveal the authentic character of this ancient land, uncovering its well-kept secrets. We vividly recall our exhilarating encounter with the untamed spirit of the wild Atlantic Way. Picture those dramatic cliffs standing firm against the relentless power of the ocean. Remember the serpentine roads that hug the coastline, revealing breathtaking vistas at every turn. We felt the immense raw power of the Atlantic, shaping the stunning landscape and the resilient spirit of the people. Our adventure guided us into the mists of time, where history echoed from ancient stones. We stood in awe before Newgrange, feeling a profound connection to our Neolithic ancestors. We explored landscapes dotted with dolmens, stone circles, and monastic ruins, each telling a fragment of Ireland's story. Our quest led us to the heartbeat of Ireland, found in its many hidden gems. We wandered through charming villages with colourful cottages and traditional pubs offering a warm welcome. We ventured into the Wicklow mountains, finding moments of peace amidst their granite peaks, and we sailed to the Aran Islands, where Gaelic language and ancient traditions endure, offering a glimpse into a unique way of life. Now, as our shared journey through these descriptive words and inspiring images draws towards its close, a new and perhaps even more exciting adventure actively beckons, your own personal, unforgettable exploration of Ireland. The Emerald Isle, with all its multifaceted, captivating beauty and its profoundly rich cultural tapestry, is not merely a destination to be passively read about or simply seen in static pictures. It is a vibrant, living land that truly comes alive when you experience its wonders firsthand with all your senses engaged. It is about feeling the soft, misty rain on your face, hearing the irresistible lilt of traditional music in a cosy, firelit pub, and sharing a genuine, heartfelt laugh with the famously friendly locals. Imagine yourself standing proudly on those truly dramatic cliffs, the invigorating wild Atlantic wind playfully whipping through your hair, or perhaps wandering thoughtfully through a mystical, ancient, moss-covered forest where powerful legends and enchanting myths were first born centuries ago. Picture the almost impossibly vibrant greens of the endlessly rolling hills, a stunning patchwork quilt of fields stretching out as far as the eye can possibly see, often dotted with peacefully grazing sheep. Envision serene, reflective lakes mirroring the ever-changing, dramatic Irish skies and rugged, inviting mountain ranges, calling you to explore their many hidden trails and discover their secluded secrets. Ireland's diverse natural beauty is indeed a constant feast for the senses. Beyond the undeniably breathtaking scenery that graces every county, an equally rich and vibrant cultural tapestry eagerly awaits your discovery. Prepare to be thoroughly enchanted by the innate warmth, the quick wit, and the legendary hospitality of the Irish people, who are renowned globally for their friendliness and their natural gift for engaging storytelling. You will have the wonderful chance to immerse yourself completely in the lively, uplifting traditions of Irish music and dance, perhaps even finding yourself tapping your foot enthusiastically to an impromptu session in a centuries-old, characterful pub. You can also delve into the fascinating lyrical world of the Gaelic language and its associated folklore, connecting deeply with a heritage that is both incredibly ancient and wonderfully, vibrantly alive today. So let this narrative serve as your most heartfelt and enthusiastic invitation to discover this magical island. Allow the enchanting tales we have shared and the stunning vistas we have explored together within these pages to truly ignite your imagination and to actively inspire your very own journey to the Emerald Isle. Ireland's many hidden gems, its well-loved and iconic landmarks, its uniquely vibrant culture, and its wonderfully welcoming people are all there, patiently waiting for your arrival. Whether you seek thrilling adventure, profound tranquility, deep historical insight, or simply the pure joy of discovery, the Emerald Isle offers it all in glorious abundance. Begin to dream, start to plan, and soon you too can be creating your own unforgettable Irish Odyssey.